You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, including plant names and scientific names, Latin, stay tuned, I have more videos for you. The Latin pronunciation would be sativum. Sativum. Now, in English it's more often pronounced as sativum. Sativum. Many also say it just, which is a bit more, even more English pronunciation, sativum. So you got a bit of a choice. The English pronunciation, sativum, or if you want to make it sound a bit more Latin, sativum. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.